Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a very specific, yet incredibly essential, accessory for anyone using an Elmo visual presenter HV-5100XG, the OMNIHIL white 8 feet long AC power cord. This isn't just any power cord. It's designed to be a reliable replacement, ensuring your visual presenter stays powered up and ready for action. One of the first things that stands out about this OMNIHIL power cord is its generous length. At 8 feet long, it offers a significant amount of flexibility in setting up your Elmo visual presenter, allowing you to reach outlets that might not be immediately adjacent to your presentation area. This extra reach can be a real game changer in various environments, from classrooms to conference rooms, where power outlets aren't always conveniently placed. Safety and quality are paramount when it comes to electrical accessories, and this OMNIHIL cord addresses those concerns head-on. It proudly carries the UL-listed certification, which is a widely recognized standard for safety and quality in North America. This means it has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it meets specific safety requirements. Additionally, it's RoHS certified, indicating its compliance with restrictions on hazardous substances, which is a great environmental and health consideration. The manufacturer also highlights it as a high-quality product, aiming to provide a durable and dependable power solution. Perhaps one of the most compelling aspects of this OMNIHIL power cord is the peace of mind it offers through its warranty. It comes with an impressive 5-year free replacement warranty. That's a substantial commitment from the manufacturer, suggesting confidence in their products' longevity and performance. Knowing that you're covered for half a decade against potential defects or issues is a significant advantage for any user. It's important to note that this is a third-party, non-OEM part. This is quite common for replacement accessories, often providing a more cost-effective alternative to original manufacturer parts, while still delivering the necessary functionality and safety standards, as evidenced by its certifications. The product description also clarifies what it doesn't contain: no alkaline, nickel, NiMH, or lithium-ion batteries. This simply reinforces that it is purely an AC power cord, designed solely for delivering power, not for charging or storing it. Finally, a quick but important note from the manufacturer: the image shown is indicative only, and if there are any inconsistencies between the image and the actual product will govern. This is standard practice, and just a heads up for potential buyers to be aware that minor visual differences might exist, but the core functionality and specifications remain as described. Overall, for anyone in need of a dependable, certified, and well-warranted replacement power cord for their Elmo visual presenter HV-5100XG, this OMNIHIL offering certainly presents itself as a strong contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.